Alright, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Math ABATTOIR. Today we want to look at multiplication of fractions, how to multiply two or more fractions. So number one, we have 4/9 times 3/2. So if you want to multiply these two fractions, it's very simple to do the multiplication. Now, multiplication of fraction allows you to cancel a denominator against numerator if they have a common factor. So if you look at this one very well, you see that 2, 4, and 2 have something in common. So I can say 2 and 2 here is 1. 2 inside of 4, you get a 2. And then if you look at this other one, 3 and 9 are connected also. So you can say 3 in 3 is 1. And then how many 3 in 9? You have 3. So what remains now becomes 2 multiplied by 1 all over 3 multiplied by 1, and then 2 multiplied by 1 is going to give you 2, and then 3 times 1 is going to give you 3. That means that 4/9 multiplied by 3/2, when you are done, is going to give you 2/3. If you don't want it that way, you can multiply straight before you now reduce it. Like 4 times 3, you get a 12, and then you write 12 all over 9 times 2, you are going to get 18. Then you break it down, you will see arrive here. So let's look at number 2. Let's look at number 2 now. Let's look at number 2 very quickly. Look at number 2. Number 2 question, you have 12/25 of one whole number 1/4. Now, this word of means multiplication in maths. So this thing here means when I say this is equal to, you write 12/25, and then this of in math means multiplication, and then when you come here, you turn this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 4 times 1, you get 4, and then 4 plus 1, you are going to get 5. So you're going to have it as 5/4. So this is where we are now. Now, if you check very well, you realize that 5 and 25 are connected, and 4 and 12 are connected also, so we can reduce. So I can say 5 in 5 is 1, then 5 in 25 is 5. Now, if you look at 4 and 12, they are also connected. So I can say 4 in 4 is 1. How many group of 4 in 12? That's 3. So what do you think will remain now? 3 and 1. So I'm going to say 3 multiplied by 1 all over 5 multiplied by 1. So 3 times 1 is going to give you 3 all over 5 times 1 is going to give you 5. It's going to give you 5. So that means that 12/25 of one whole number 1/4 will give you 3/5 as your final answer. I hope you are following. So just one more question. We move from very simple one to intermediate, and then one that is a little bit challenging now. So let's look at number 3. Number 3 question. Question number 3 quickly. See number 3 quickly. Number 3 you have 3 whole number 1/7 multiplied by 4 whole number 1/2 multiplied by 1 whole number 5/8 rather. So how do you start this? You are going to turn each of these fractions to improper fraction first before you now start it. Let's start with the first one. The first one is 3 whole number 1/7. So we say there's 7 here, which is the denominator, times whole number, then we add the numerator. So 7 times 3 is 21 plus the 1 that is there. You're going to get 22/7. That's for this one. Then you have multiplication sign. 2 times 4, it will give you 8. 8 plus 1 is going to give you 9. But you place the 9 over the 2. And then the final one, you have one whole number 5/8. How do you handle this? You're going to say 8 times 1, that's 8. Now 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 will give you 13. So you're going to say multiply by 13. 1/8. Now what do you now do? You look very well now and see what you can cancel across. If you check very well, you see that 2 can go in 22. So you say 2 here, 1. 2 in 22. How many is that? That should be 11. Now if you check very well, there's nothing else to cancel. So the final answer will not be that you multiply 11 by what? By by 9, and then you multiply the remaining one by 13. All over what? 7 times 1, then multiply by 8. So if you do this very quickly, you are going to have it as a denominator. You are going to have 7 times 1 is going to be 7, and then 7 times that 7 multiplied by 8 is going to give you 56. So you're going to get 56. Now, if you multiply 11 by 9, you are going to get 99. Let me do it here before I bring the answer here. So 99 rather. 99. Then 99 times 13 very quickly. You have this one will give you what? 27 to carry 2. This will give you how many? That's 27 again plus 2. That's 29. So we have 29. And then 1 times 9 will give you 9. 1 times this one will give you what? 9 also. So we sum up, you are going to get 7. This is 18. So write down 8, carry 1. That 1 plus this 9, that should be what? 10 plus the other one, 12. So it's going to give you a large number, which is what? 1,287. You can go ahead and break this one down into a mixed fraction. I believe you have followed very, very well. So this is the third example. I'm going to stop here, but before I stop, I have something for you. I have something for you, which is a classwork. To ensure you do it, make sure you do the classwork.